What's going on, fellow riders? Navigating busy streets on a bike can be stressful, especially when pedestrians and cars do not see you coming. That is why having the best electric bicycle horn is an absolute game changer for your daily commute. Welcome back to Tech Kingo, where we bring you amazing gear. Let's get started. Meet the Palvine electric bicycle horn. This powerful and reliable accessory is specifically designed to significantly enhance your rider safety every time you hit the road. The core feature of the Palvine electric bicycle horn is its incredibly loud and clear sound. Delivering an impressive 130 decibels of volume, this little device packs a massive punch. To put that into perspective, 130 decibels is loud enough to ensure that pedestrians chatting on their phones and drivers sitting inside closed vehicles ahead of you can easily hear your presence. This makes the horn an essential tool for cyclists who regularly navigate through heavy traffic, busy city streets, or crowded shared walking paths. The strong sound transmission effectively alerts everyone in your vicinity, which helps to prevent potential accidents and ensures a much safer riding experience for you and the people around you. When you get a new accessory for your bicycle, you want the setup process to be as simple as possible. Thankfully, the installation of the Palvine electric bicycle horn is remarkably straightforward and completely hassle-free. You do not need to search for screwdrivers because setting this up requires no additional tools at all. Out of the box, the horn comes with all the necessary accessories to get you going in seconds. This includes two highly elastic rubber bands that stretch effortlessly to securely fit handlebars of various diameters. Whether you ride a thick-framed mountain bike, a slender road bike, or an electric commuter, you will get a perfect and snug fit every single time. Moreover, these elastic rubber bands serve a dual purpose. They not only ensure a highly stable mount, but they also protect your beautiful bicycle paint from getting scratched or scuffed during use. The grip is incredibly secure. Even if you are riding on bumpy trails, jumping over curbs, or rolling across uneven terrain, the Palvine electric bicycle horn remains firmly in place. It maintains its consistent and reliable performance regardless of the rough road conditions you might encounter on your daily journey. You will never have to worry about the horn slipping out of reach when you need it the most. Operating the Palvine electric bicycle horn is quick and highly intuitive thanks to its brilliant one-button trigger system. With just a simple, effortless press of your thumb, the horn activates instantly. This ultra-responsive design allows cyclists to react swiftly to unexpected situations, such as a car suddenly pulling out of a driveway or a stray animal running across the bike lane. Because the design is so incredibly user-friendly and accessible, it is perfectly suitable for all riders. From teenagers biking to school to elderly riders enjoying a weekend cruise, everyone can use it safely. It offers totally dependable performance across all types of bikes, perfectly suiting both modern electric bikes and classic traditional bicycles. Let us talk about the premium build quality of this fantastic device. Carefully crafted from high-quality ABS material, the Palvine electric bicycle horn is wonderfully durable while also maintaining a sleek and stylish look that blends right into your handlebar setup. It is built to survive the elements, too. Featuring an impressive IPX4 waterproof rating, this horn guarantees reliable function in widely varying weather conditions. Whether you are sweating it out under the scorching summer heat or suddenly get caught in a heavy rain downpour, this durable horn keeps working flawlessly. You can commute with total peace of mind, knowing your safety equipment will not fail when the weather turns bad. Inside this exceptionally compact casing, the Palvine electric bicycle horn houses two easily replaceable CR2032 batteries that deliver outstanding long-lasting performance. You will not have to worry about constantly unmounting the horn to recharge it. With an ultra-efficient battery life that lasts up to 200 days and the ability to sound the horn up to 5,000 times on a single set of batteries, the Palvine horn offers enduring reliability. It provides tremendous convenience for everyday riders who are seeking advanced safety, everyday simplicity, and rugged strength, all seamlessly combined into one compact design. Do not compromise on your safety when riding. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome gear videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe on the roads, and we will see you in the next one.